Myocardial infarction causes, symptoms, and treatment. Myocardial infarction, MI, which is commonly known as heart attack. It is a serious medical condition that occurs when the blood flow to a part of the heart muscle is severely reduced or blocked completely. Now, this deprivation of blood and oxygen can cause damage to the heart muscle, potentially leading to severe complications or even death if not promptly treated. Causes of myocardial infarction. Number one, coronary artery disease, CAD. Now, the most common cause of myocardial infarction is the buildup of plaque, which is also known as arteriosis. Now, that is in the coronary arteries which supply blood to the heart muscle. Now, this plaque can rupture, leading to a formation of blood clot that blocks the artery. Number two, spasms of coronary arteries. Sometimes the coronary arteries may undergo spasm, reducing or cutting off blood flow to the heart temporarily. Now, these spasms could also cause a heart attack. Risk factors. Certain factors increase the risk of myocardial infarction, including smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, diabetes, obesity, sedentary lifestyle, and a family history of heart disease. Let us talk about what are the symptoms of myocardial infarction. Number one is the chest pain. The hallmark symptom is sudden, intense chest pain or discomfort, often described as pressure, squeezing, fullness, or pain that radiates to the arm, shoulder, back, neck, or jaw. It can be mistaken for indigestion. Shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, especially during physical exertion or at rest, may accompany or precede the chest pain. Other symptoms, nausea, vomiting, lightheartedness, cold sweats with anxiety are common accompanying symptoms. But let us talk about the treatment of myocardial infarction also. The number one is you can go for immediate medical care. You have to call emergency services. Prompt medical attention is crucial. Now, calling emergency services like 911, which is in many countries, ensure that timely transport to a hospital equipped to handle cardiac emergencies is there. Aspirin. During some aspirin help reduce clot formation. Oxygen therapy. Oxygen may be administered to increase the oxygen supply to the heart. Now you have to take some medications also. Thrombolytics, drugs to resolve the blood clots. Antiplatelet agents and anticoagulants prevent further clotting. Pain relievers manage chest pain and discomfort. Procedures. Angioplasty and stent tip opens the blocked arteries to restore blood flow. Coronary artery bypass surgery. Now, for severe blockages not amenable to angioplasty, you can go with it. Now, there is also some cardiac rehabilitation. A structured program involves exercise, diet modifications, and education to improve heart health and prevent the future heart problems. Prevention of myocardial infarction. Healthy lifestyle choices. Quit smoking, maintain a healthy weight, eat a balanced diet, low in saturated fats and cholesterol, and exercise regularly. Manage risk factors, control high blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and diabetes through the medication and lifestyle changes. Regular medical checkups, periodic visit to healthcare provider for screening and early detection of heart disease risk factors. Now, let's talk about myocardial infarction. Some natural remedies to support your heart health. Myocardial infarction or heart attack requires some urgent medical care, but some natural remedies can play a supportive role in recovery and long term heart health. So, certain foods and herbs like garlic, turmeric, and omega 3 fatty acids from flax seeds, walnuts, and fish are known to improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and lower your cholesterol levels. Now, amla, Indian gooseberry, and arjuna bark, both used in Ayurveda, strengthens the heart muscles and improve arterial function. Antioxidant rich options like hibiscus tea can help in managing blood pressure, and cholesterol naturally. So, which are the key factors in preventing further heart complications. Now, in addition to dietary support, lifestyle practices such as yoga, pranayam, breathing exercises, and meditation can significantly reduce your stress, regulate your heart rate, and exchange oxygen supply to the body. Adopting a heart healthy diet like vegetarian diet, which emphasize fruits, vegetable, whole grains, healthy fats, also supports recovery. Now, while these natural remedies cannot replace medical treatments like angioplasty or medication, they can complement them and help future cardiac events when used consistently under medical guidance. At last, I would say that myocardial infarction is a critical medical emergency that requires immediate attention. But knowing the causes, recognizing the symptoms early, and seeing prompt medical care, they are very crucial for improving your outcome and reducing the complications. So, with advancements in medical treatment and focus on preventive measures like going for lifestyle changes and some natural remedies, managing heart health, reducing the risk of heart attacks remains a cornerstone of cardiovascular health. So if you like this video and if you like fitness related health content related to many popular topics now, please subscribe to our channel and do like to this video so that I can share with you the many upcoming fitness and health related content with you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe as well.